attach a purpose to a pursuit. If you want to play a long term game, it has to be very much inherent. You should have a story on why you want to do sketchnoting or any other skill that you want to pick up, and how will you see this, if once mastered, affect you or impact you in a positive way. I think this Simon Sinek's golden circle of why, how, and what. So why is always, when why is clear, the how becomes, how is very easy, right? So always start with a purpose, attach a purpose to it. And it's important to, I think this is a concept which is talked about, like I think most of the innovators have talked about, copy, like copying. You should not be shamed to copy, but you should also be, you should also give credit to where the copy is. It's something called as ethical copying, which is, you're doing it for learning, and at the same time you are giving credit to the source from where you learned. I never shared the sketchnote. I'm doing this probably for the first time. I never shared this because the design I copied from Tanmay's sketchnote, and fully. I never shared this out there. This is just to make a point here. Imitation. There's this concept of reverse engineering. You can reverse engineer any thing you want to learn in life, right? From reverse engineer from the ideal state, and then you kind of build on that. But this process takes time, so you should have enough. You should give yourself enough time to go through the entire process. Okay. And embrace a rigor, create a habit. Once your purpose is set, you should look at building the habit. Atomic Habits is a great book to learn how to take build a habit. But you don't need to really, you don't really need a book to form an habit, in my opinion. It's just as simple as just do it, like every day, right? Just put, you figure out what you need to do and do it every day, and then over a period of time you'll surprise yourself, with the expertise that you will end up building. Okay.